and purpose of this well is like everyone has seen a normal well or a real well, or in the films or a picture they have seen. Uh, in a well, you have to pull and push out the water. For the basicity is that you have to pull out water from your hand. But to make it easy is that we can do it with electric current flow. Here is this motor, and if I have used a DPDT switch so that when I will press this, it will come up, and when I will press this will go.
When you say when I will press this, in that we are not able to see what is actually happening. We are not able to see. Understand? You're just moving forward too fast. Tell them now what is happening properly.
Sir, so when we have a DPD switch. When I will press this side, it will go down.
Which side? We are not seeing what you are pressing. You're saying when we press this side, this we not able to see. Yeah.
This side, it will go down, and here it will go up.
That's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So the virus came out.
It's okay. Listen up. How is it saving effort? कैसे effort कम हो रहा है?
It's saving effort. When we pull out water from a well, we apply muscular force, but this can be done from electrical energy also. If you place a motor and then if we have a DPDT switch, it will push and pull the water automatically when we press the switch.
Okay. How does it happen that ये जब DPDT you press ना दो तरह से तो ये reverse कैसे हो जाता है? ये नीचे जाता है फिर ऊपर आता है. Reverse functionality you have implemented ना, as opposite functionality. How is it working actually? Why does it happen?
Sir, it's because of DPDT switch.
No, I understand, but DPDT ऐसा क्या करता है that this particular reverse motion of water motor it happens?
So DPDT does the work this is a DPDT switch, and it has 6 terminals. If we will connect this to this, we have one wire here, one wire here. This is the well, and here we will have a motor. This motor, these wires will connect the motor, and these two center terminals will connect the battery. This provides this is the electricity
Power source. You can say power source.
This is the power source. This is the user, and this is the switch for the electric current decider. How will it move? So when it has two. If I will press this one, it will go down, and if I will press this one, it will go up.
Yeah, but my question, it's wonderful what you said. My question is, ये अलग अलग बटन प्रेस करने से ऐसा क्या चेंज हो जाता है, क्या चेंजेस होते हैं जिसकी वजह से द मोशन रिवर्सेस? व्हाट इज दैट चेंज?
In this, the wire connections are changing. This has a property that it changes the current flow.
Direction of the current.
Yes, direction of the current flow. So that if it was going like this, it will now go like this. If you will press the another button.
Okay. So when you change the direction of the current, the motion of the motor reverses, and that's how.
Yeah, okay. I used the DPDT switch for this only. I didn't wanted to interchange the wires.
manually.
Yeah, I didn't wanted to interchange the wires. See, if this is the motor, and if this is the battery, here these are wires are connecting, and I have a simple switch, a one-way switch. So I needed to change the direction of the current flow, but I didn't want it to. But this DPDT is makes the work easier for changing
Changes the direction of the current without manually swapping the
without manually
connections.
swapping the connections.
Okay. Anything else? Any questions? तुम पूछ रहे थे? Ask something. Ask something. Still ask something. Anything. जरूरी नहीं है वो इससे related हो. It could be extension of this. Some extension of this. Is it so? Is your motor, whatever motor you have placed, does it also matter what is the weight of my bucket? If will it be required to be specified that only these many kgs of water you can pull through this motor?
That depends on the thread, because see, like if we have a real in real lens, if we put this project, then it will I think the thick rope
Thick rope you will need.
that I think will hold 10 to 20 kilograms, 10 to 20 liters of water.
And motor does not matter, as in the real life scenario, can I use the same motor which you have used, this PO motor?
No, the motor should be bigger, because if you have a thicker wire, you need a thicker if you have a thicker rope, then you need a thicker, like big motor.
Question. So if I can somehow fix that rope in the motor, then can we place it? The view.
Fix rope in the motor means?
But this motor is like, it can hold only 100 to 200 grams of weight, because this is a small motor. That depends on the size of the motor also.
Actually, instead of saying the size, you should say power. Yes. How much torque? चलो करते हैं उस बारे में. ठीक है, तुम बताओ. You were asking मुझे question नहीं समझ में आया rope का motor.
नहीं, मतलब उससे कहा
Like,
था कि
he wants to say that if the thick rope we are able to fit in this motor, how will that work? But no sir, that depends on the size and also the how much electric current is flowing.
ठीक है.
what how the electric current flow can change the motor. You are telling me that because of electric current it is more efficient. You are telling that. So
No, he didn't say that. When did he say because of that?
efficient नहीं कहा, लेकिन इससे कहा था कि वो उसके वजह से भी होता है.
क्या होता है? You frame your question properly.
Yes, I also didn't understand the question. Can you
Frame the question properly. You
Yeah.
cannot just efficient. He's not even talking about efficiency right now.
ठीक है. तूने कहा था कि जो when you were explaining that जो कि जितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का करंट है उसकी वजह से भी डिफर करता है.
हाँ.
तो फिर क्या डिफर करता है उसकी वजह से और क्यों डिफर करता है? What happens?
That depends on the motor's speed. It will go fast and slow. That depends on the electric current.
Why?
Because electric current are going slow, I think that the motor also moves
He
slow.
doesn't know about how motor really works inside.
So basically, the purpose of this machine is like if we will have a back pain if we go daily for pushing and pulling the water in the bed. So if you will press this, our work can be done without any wasting any energy.
Still they are touching the switch, right? The DPDT switch is not like a normal fan like this.
But still, no lesser energy is applied now. You instead
Listening to his
Okay,
question.
you tell.
instead of pulling the water in a well, you can just DPDT switch. Like we have to just press the switch. No?
Yeah, that's what I'm also saying. You're also giving force to the DPDT switch, right?
Yes.
Then we have to just, if it's a normal switch, you can also interchange the connection.
Yeah, that's what I said. I used the DPDT because I didn't want it to change the wire manually, and I didn't want it to swap the wires manually.
Okay. And instead of this weight, they have a bucket, right?
Yeah. So you can put a plastic bucket.
Yeah. And now the connection didn't work, right?
Yeah, because this wire is
Yeah.
like.
And still they are forcing to.
John,
They're pulling.
John, can you keep a little distance from me while talking? Just keep a little distance.
See, they are pulling and taking. It's like this, right?
Yes.
The same thing is applying this force. They are pushing it till it comes out, and they are pushing this button.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let's show that happens.
And they are doing the two things at one time. So this is also force, and pulling is also extra force.
Yeah. So we are applying less force, and we want less force. The back can also pain when we pull out water from the well.
What is your question, John? What is the point? What you're saying? Are you saying we can make it more easier?
Yeah.
How?
We can even use a normal switch for this.
But normal switch we
Yeah, we should interchange.
yeah
We should interchange.
We will have to interchange the
We
wires
should just
manually.
connect the other wires to
But
that.
in this case, we don't even have to do that. So it is. This is easier, no?
Yes.
Because we are not. You do not have to change the wires.
Yeah.
So this is easier. That's what I'm saying.
See, we can.
We can do the interchanging. I agree. But if
Yes.
we do not have to, that process is much easier, no?
No. Yes. Yeah. That has to be.
We can do one more thing.
Yes.
We cannot change it manually. So like there is a motor. We
Yes.
take two connections straight, one switch, and this battery. Then we, from that same motor, we took two wires. We crossed it in a shape of cross. We put a switch, and then we connect. So then we don't have to
Yes,
manually-
you are correct. Without there is one more way. Like, see, here is the here is our well, okay, and here we have the motor. Here is the thread, and here is the our weight. Okay. Here we will have two wires. Like one battery only, but from one battery we will connect four wires. One like this direct to motor, one like this direct to motor, and one interchanging like this and like this. But in this there is a plastic piece, because like if we on both the switches, and we don't know that both the switches are on, there must be a short circuit on and blast.
Okay.
Blast तो नहीं होगा, but what he is trying to say is कि both the switches on होने पे
Short
the
circuit हो
current will flow inside the motor in both direction.
Yes.
So it is a short circuit. And even if your motor will not work if both the switches are on together, because one switch is asking the motor to rotate in clockwise direction, the other switch is asking motor to go anti-clockwise. Both things cannot happen at the same time.
Yes. So then there will be blast.
तो बस दोनों स्विचेस एक साथ ऑन नहीं होने चाहिए.
Yes.
डीपीडीटी के अंदर दोनों स्विच इसीलिए ही एक साथ ऑन नहीं होते कभी भी, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. अगर तुम, because it just doesn't make any sense कि तुम वायर्स में करंट एक ही टाइम पे दोनों डायरेक्शन में ले जा रहे हो, सेंस ही नहीं बनता, राइट?
But
वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन्ड यार, वेरी वेल.
I think कि अब मतलब ऐसा